Axie Infinity value equivalent to $12.77 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $12.309 $13.45. The earlier day close $12,607.744. The change was 0.667 289%. Backwards rate US to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive costs earned 61, while lows earned 47. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.53. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.56, change for June 19 1%. US to Ax expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs in 56, while lows in 0.45. They arrived at the midpoint of costs in 52. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.49, change for July 12 5%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs 0.49, while lows are in 39. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.45. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.42, change for August 14 3%. US to Ax expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 0.42 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.42, while lows are in 34. They found the middle value of cost on 39. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.36, change for September 14 3%. Dollar to Axie Infinity gauge for October 2024. In the first place cost at 0.36 coins. Exorbitant costs on 39, while lows in 34. They found the middle value of cost at 36. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.36, change for October 0%. US to Ax expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 0.36 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 37, while lows earned 32. They found the middle value of cost earned 35. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 0.35, change for November 28%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at 0.35 coins. Excessive costs are 37, while lows on 32. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.35. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end Z34, change for December 29%. US to Ax expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.34 coins. Excessive costs in 36, while lows in 31. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.34. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end Z33, change for January 29%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.33 coins. Exorbitant costs 35, while lows in 30. They found the middle value of cost on 33. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.32, change for February 30%. US to Ax expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.32 coins. Exorbitant costs in 34, while lows in 30. They found the middle value of cost 0.32. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.32, change for spring 0%. Dollar to Axie Infinity conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.32 coins. Excessive costs 33, while lows on 29. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.31. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.31, change for April 1%. US to Ax expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 32, while lows on 28. They found the middle value of cost on 30. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 0.30, change for May 2%. Dollar to Axie Infinity estimate for June 2025. To start with cost at 0.30 coins. Exorbitant costs in 30, while lows on 24. They found the middle value of cost on 28. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 0.26, change for June 13%. US to Ax expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.26 coins. Excessive costs 27, while lows on 23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.25. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end N25, change for July 38%. Dollar to Axie Infinity figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 0.25 coins. Excessive costs 32, while lows on 25. They arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 28. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.30, change for August 20%. US to Axie expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs 38, while lows in 30. They arrived at the midpoint of cost zone 33. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.35, change for September 16.7%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 0.35 coins. Excessive costs 43, while lows on 35. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 38. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.40, change for October 14%. US to Axie expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at 0.40 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 51, while lows earn 40. They found the middle value of cost 0.45. The US to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.47, change for November 17.5%. Dollar to Axie infinity gauge for December 2025. In the first place cost at 0.47 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 47, while lows on 38. They found the middle value of cost 0.43. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.41, change for December 12.8%. US to Axie expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 0.41 coins. Excessive cost 0.41, while lows ain't 33. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 38. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.35, change for January 14.6%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for February 2026. Initially cost at 0.35 coins. Excessive costs are at 35, while lows are at 28. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.32. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.30, change for February 14.3%. US to Axie expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 0.30 coins. Excessive costs in 30, while lows on 24. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.28. The US to Axie figure toward the month's end 0.26, change for spring 13.3%. Dollar to Axie infinity conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 0.26 coins. Excessive costs 26, while lows met 21. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.24. The US to Axie conjecture toward the month's end 0.23, change for April 11.5%. US to Axie expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 0.23 coins. Excessive costs earn 26, while lows earn 23. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 24. The US to Axie figured toward the month's end zone 24, change for May 4.3%. Dollar to Axie infinity figure for June 2026.